It would be a shame to fly all the way to Saipan and not take the time to visit Tinian. It would be a missed opportunity to set foot on a very historical site, place where 99% of the world's population will never visit, and the place where the Enola Gay and Boxcar took off to bomb Hiroshima back in 1945. Now, if you've been following the news, you might have seen articles like this that indicate that the U.S. military is seeking to re-establish their presence on Tinian in a more significant way. The Business Insider has one article that includes the following. We're going to be resurfacing some of the surfaces there so that we will have a very large and very functional agile combat employment base. So the World War II era runways that are currently there are going to be resurfaced, so we'll lose a little bit of the history of the island. So if you're planning a visit, do it soon, because the military is planning to reestablish their presence more significantly on Tinian. For those of you who visited already, you've been fortunate, because one of the highlights of my 2-day tour, the Saipan and Tinian tour, is actually seeing the runways where the Enola Gay and Boxcar took off to bomb Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and also driving on those runways. If the plans that are afoot actually take hold, then access to those runways may actually be impeded, and there's a very good chance that the upper 2/3 of the island, which is currently military lease area, will no longer be accessible. What you're looking at now is the approach to Tinian from Saipan. It's an 11-minute flight from Saipan to Tinian, and what you're looking at now on screen are the 2 of the 4 runways that are still visible. During the war, the U.S. created 4 runways for B-29 bombers to bomb Japan, and at present, 80 years later, 2 are visible and drivable and usable to some degree. Runway Baker, closer to the bottom of the screen, and runway Able, further away. And Able is the runway from which the Enola Gay took off. So just wanted to put that out there, let you know that I'll have some links in the description so you can see and read more about what's coming, what's likely coming soon. And just wanted to share a little bit of that with you, and maybe that'll light a fire for you to visit the island before visit Saipan as well as Tinian before accessibility becomes limited. This is a scene from my most recent trip to Tinian with some clients, and I will see you in the next video.